Hi, Domenica here from Easy Sewing for Beginners. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to use the automatic needle threader on your Singer heavy duty sewing machine. Okay, so I've already threaded up the sewing machine as per the instructions. If you need those instructions, then make sure you check out my full step-by-step video on how to set up this machine. Okay, so before we get started, just make sure your needle is in the highest position. So use the hand wheel to bring that needle up to its highest point. Now just to the left of the needle bar here, you will have a lever that you can pull down. So this is your needle threader. So you're going to pull it all the way down, and as you do that, it'll swing in towards the eye of the needle. So I'll just do that again for you. Now at the end here, there's actually a little metal hook that will go through the eye of the needle. And you need to make sure that that little hook is sitting in the eye of the needle. And you'll know when it's there because the lever will actually stay down by itself. Okay, the next step, you need to hook your thread around this hook on the left here. And then you're going to place that thread underneath the hook, just going through the eye of the needle. And then you're going to very slowly and gently bring that lever up. And as you do that, it'll bring through a little loop. And then I just like to push it to the left with my right finger and then grab that little loop and pull it all the way through. Okay, now it'll take a bit of practice, but once you've had a few tries, you will actually be able to do it quite quickly and easily. If you'd like to learn how to use the buttonhole foot using the Singer heavy duty sewing machine, then check out that video. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video.